Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken this week. We still have a little time finishing. Today is right now Friday, 4:21 p.m. But I'm done with everything, so I'm making the video. All right, so because I have too many things to do afterwards. So this is the week started on the 13th, and this is the first one, gold 150. I have many trades in gold. Gold is behaving pretty good and giving me, I'm catching almost every single turn. I'll show you. Well, I make the gold videos so you can watch those and then you understand. But anyway, this one was coming down here and 150 pip there, 110 pip here. That was 150 pip. No, that was 90 pip, sorry, right? From 150 chart. So coming down this, then it made the turn to the upside, and then I had some long trades I'll show. So pound USD 7-minute chart coming down here. This is the, see this little arrow here? This is my EA opening, expert advisor, robot opening the trades, right? And the entries are on the left. You can see sell, and then SL is moved to break even plus 5, 10 pips, something like that. So this is 65 pip on the 14th. And this is on the 14th Nasdaq going to the upside, taken by the robot. And this is on the 15th USD yen, also going to the upside. But I recorded on the 15th, but if you notice that this was the entry was on 14, right? But it didn't move much on 14, right? So it was like not enough pip for my liking. So I said, okay, let me see if it continue go to the upside, then I can catch the whole daily range of this for the next day as well. So I had some from here to here, but then I caught the next day daily range as well. This pair has a daily range of, let me see, how much is it currently? Daily range is, see, 146. So that's what it is. So if you 2 days worth, the one day, let's say you catch half of it, and then the other day you catch the whole thing, that's 200 per trade right there. All right, that's the idea. So yeah, once in a while I do that. If a trade doesn't go much, but I think that it's gonna continue going to the upside because it's with the trend, then I hold on to it for the next day. That's how I got this 160. Right. So this is euro yen, from here. So let's, for example, this is 14, right? And then I close on, it's like almost like 15 July here. See this 15, 15, 15. It's just started. If I feel like that, okay, it's going to the upside a lot more, the whole daily range, it will go to the upside, then I'll hold. And 15 started actually here. So this is also basically the 2-day trade. The first day I got in here. This white dotted line is the daily, open and close. So this is one day, and then the second day started here. 15 started here. So there was the entry was late on 14, and then 15 this much, and 400 pip I close. So I think you got the idea how I'm doing. This one, gold coming down again, and this is taken by the robot from 200 bucks size chart, and this is 300 pip. Then it make the turn to the upside again. And this pound yen, this one is also, it's the entry is on 15, close is on 15. This pair has a daily range also nowadays is like 150 pip. Right, let me see quickly. Probably a little less. Yeah, exactly 150. Right. So that's why the pair that you have 150 and then you make the entry. By the time you make the entry, then maybe 30, 40 pips are gone. But take that out of the 150, you still have a shot at 80, 90, 100 pip trade. That's why I trade these, not Euro USD, right? So Euro USD don't have much, or Aussie USD for that matter. They're very pathetic daily range. CAD yen here going to the upside, 75 pip. Gold again, it dropped and then it went up, right? So I'll show you the chart that how it is making, wave two, right? A, B, C correction. So yeah, that's what happened. So 350 pip will go to the upside. And this is a USD yen 7-minute chart, 110 pip to the downside on the 16th. This is pound yen again, also coming down with the, when yen start to get weaker or strong, then all yen pair move in the same direction. So USD yen dropping because of yen getting strong, then all yen pair will go down. If yen start to get weaker, all yen pair will go up. That's how it is. Euro Aussie 80 pip from 200, 20-minute chart. And this is pound Aussie going to the upside. This was my chart that is going to go to the upside, and it did. Again, this one also you can see that the entry is 15, exit is 16, almost 17. So yeah, this one is also like a couple of days, and that's why, because some time pair doesn't move much, right? So you have to hold for the next day to see if you can catch the next day daily range as well. So that's exactly what happened. So 110 pip here. And this one, pound Aussie, the same thing, basically. You can see that I held this one this day here, this day, and then this went up big time. So instead of closing here, I recorded the chart for 110 pip, but the day, see this 17, it started from right here, and it has a much bigger daily range. Let me see, pound Aussie daily range is also 147, right? So if you have an idea that this thing is going to, see, this was a chart that, I made the chart when it was here, that it's going to go up all the way there. Let me quickly see, it's 18, right? So let me see if I can show you that chart. Then you will know what I'm talking about correctly. Okay. Now you can see that this chart here, which chart? This one. See that? So I had an idea that this thing is going to go all the way to the 61%, and that's why I held that one for that long. And it ended up like this, right? And then gave me a couple of days to get there, and then the trade was almost 180 pip. Sorry, 110 pip here, and then continue to the upside. I held it, and the target, I knew the target, so that's why I held it at 180 pip. I closed the trade. It was there. And then I flipped the chart. I'll show you later. So gold coming down again, 230, right? And then gold going up again, 210, right? And then gold chart, I'll show you later. Pound yen, this one, 55 pip to the upside on 17, 18, pound Aussie coming down here. Pound Aussie, first it went up. I just showed you that, this is how it went up all the way there. Then I switched, and then I made the chart that it was supposed to be coming down like this, right? So once it was here, I said, 61%, or maybe if you pull the fib from here, it is touching 61. So I said, maybe it is already there, or maybe if you this high, then 61% is right there with this 0752. So there is a chance that it may go to the upside and then drop. But it dropped anyway. And that's the one that gave me, right now I just showed you. See this drop? And this is the one I got today. 18, right? This drop here coming down. This should have been the entry, but this was a good entry, and then took it to 70 pip, right? So these are the trade. Let me see the next one here in the Nasdaq, 290 pip to the upside. I don't know what the heck is happening to this. All the indices are going up. They're flying high, all-time high, and that's I was not going to take it to the long side, but I says, what the hell with it? Everything is going, and then there is nothing up there to do the analysis or anything. There's no SNL level or anything. So I said, it's a nice entry. Let me just take it. And then when it was here, I set on a break even, and I forgot about it. I said, what the hell with it? And the entry you can see is around 16. And then today I said, so okay, no problem. It's this much, already. So no problem. Once you sit on a break even, it's like you don't have a trade. But if it goes your way, you have something, right? That's how it is. And let me show you now the gold. The gold chart was this. So this all you saw, the up and down and up and down. So every step of the way I predicted the move, right? That it's gonna go up. So it went up there, and then I said it's gonna come down, and it did came down here, right? This is the one that I missed, but then again I said it's gonna come down here all the way, and it did. And then I said that this one is gonna go to the upside, and this chart so far you can see that it is here. Right. So now from here, I made a new chart saying that, either if it goes above 23% line, then when the market opens up on Monday, Sunday, then it will go up. If not, there's more chances are that it's going to drop first here and then go to the upside. So you can see here that it started already slightly coming down. Reversal candle is in place, and red candle is underway. So maybe it's going to come down, like I made the chart here, that is going to probably come down to 23% line here to this level and then go to the upside. But, be careful. It can just flip, the market opens up and then boom, go to the upside, right? So we play by the rule. Once we have a reversal candle and let's say, for example, a red candle, then I'm looking for short from 150. If I get one, it's continue dropping and then give me the short, I'll take it and then it will go down. Right? If it flips from here right there and then it goes to the upside, then I never get 150 entry. Then I'll look for the long, right? And if I find a long entry, I'll take it. So from a turning point, it doesn't matter, either short or long. But with the calculation of this Fibonacci tool, I come up with the idea, and my idea is more than 90% correct. Right? For example, this is the one, then pound Aussie, and then let me show you something else. Let's say, for example, pound USD yen. When we were here other day, when it was going up, I had this chart made that it's going to go up. And then my target was 48.64. So it went up a little bit more, right? So right here, I made the chart that, okay, it's going to drop here first and then break that, and then we're going to come down here, right? So that was the idea. And then what happened? Exactly what the same thing happened. It went down all the way here. Right? So this is how my analysis is using these Renko charts. These charts are, these candles, Renko candles are very precise. They are equal size, no wicks or anything. And then if a 5-minute, let's say 15-minute chart, and the price goes up all the way and then come down all the way, then what you have basically is that one candle in a 15-minute chart with a big wick. So you can't understand what the heck happened. But on this chart, I can see that it went all the way there and then come down here, because every 3-4 pip a new candle prints. So I see the move, what really happened, and I get to have the more precise entry points, right, with a very small SL. That's the beauty about this thing. So that's why I use it. And for analysis, also you just saw it that how accurate these analyses are, right? And gold and everything is giving me perfect, precise analysis. So this is it for now. And I'm gonna after this probably I'm gonna make a video updating gold again, right? And this is it for now. And I hope that you have a wonderful, weekend. Right? So 30 more minutes, 25 more minutes for the Friday to end. Market will close at 5, and after that we can start. All right. So enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Okay. Stop recording.